Hi everyone, welcome to IT's workshop. So let us talk about range. So range is something, it just gives you number for a particular range limit, whichever is provided here. So if you say range of 10, it will give you item from 0 to 10. 0 to 10 item here. Now there is a function, list function. If you give something in the list, so it converts those item into list item. If I say range of 10 and I just want to print as list, so I can print as list also. So in Python 3 it represents like this, range 0 to 10. But if you go for Python 2 syntax, so if I say Python 2 and you give your range of 10, then you'll directly see, you'll be able to see it directly what's the meaning of range of 10. So range of 10, we are not giving a starting point, so it will just give you sequence of number for the limit whichever is provided. So starting point is not provided, so it will start from the 0 till 10. It should be 10, but the upper limit is excluded, so 0 to 9 I have 10 items here. Okay, so both are same here, but here I'm converting it to list, then I'm able to see this, but the data is available here also. So if you say, so I can look through to my sequence also. So for I in range of 5, I want to do something, so indentation print I each item one by one. So you see 0 to 5, upper limit is excluded, so 5 number 0 to 4. You can give your range a starting point. No, I don't want to start from 0, I want to start from 5, and then you can check out what's your range. So your range is starting from 1 till 5, upper limit is excluded. Okay, you can give, I want to start from 1 or 2 or 3, anything, till 10, but with difference of 2, with jump of 2. By default there is just difference of 1 in each number, but I want a difference of 2 here. So you can see, so it will start from 1, then it will jump 2 more numbers, 3, jump 2 more numbers, 5, 7, till 9. Till 9 your list is exhausted, and this is the range what you get. So range is nothing, range is a function which gives you range of number in a specified limit which is defined here.